Everybody, if you do not know how to build a Lego airplane, I'll teach you how. So first, you get a 2x2, then you get a 1x1 round black, then you get a 2x1, then you put the middle one in, then you get two 1x1s, then you put them like on the bottom of it. Then you get these these orange round half circles. Then you get this white one. Then you put it in the middle. Then you get another 2x1. You put it there. Then you have an airplane. And everybody, like and subscribe if you really want to do this.